Hello and welcome to our tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to import Amazon's products into your WooCommerce store. So on my screen currently you are seeing some products that I want to add to my WooCommerce store as affiliate products, so that when user buy them from my website, they will be redirected to Amazon including my affiliate tag, and when they buy something, Amazon will pay commission to my affiliate account. So for example, this is a sample search and I want these products to be added to my website, which is this one. So I already added a sample product, but if I go to shop and show you, I already have approximately 1100 products on my shop already, but it's 1557, but I want to add more of these category. Okay, so first of all, I'll go to my backend, WordPress backend, and go to plugins, click on add new. We will need a plugin from a WordPress repository to install it. Let me just quickly log in again, my session just expired. Okay, after you log in, you just start typing, go to plugins, add new, and then just start typing here and type Amazon to WC, which means WooCommerce. And when the plugin shows up, just scroll down and search for this one, Suhail Ahmed. It's my name and this is my plugin. So click on install and activate. I already have this plugin added, and this is the menu for this Amazon to WooCommerce importer plugin. So once you have this and activate this, go to Amazon settings page. Here you will find site key, this one. We will need this site key, and here is if you are planning to sell products on your website and not as an affiliate website, then you just click here and click on sell product and simple product, and you can increase price by adding percentage. For example, if a product price is 100 and you want to sell them for $120, then just add 1.2 here, which means it's 120%. Means if a product price is 200, then it will automatically add 120% margin, sorry, 20% margin, and it will be approximately $240. So if a product is 100, then it will turn it to 120. But as we are adding affiliate products, so no need of margins, just change it to affiliate products and add your affiliate tag and click on save option. But we will still need this site key, and I'll let you know in a while. So you open a new tab and open this website called importwoocommerce.com and press enter. You can also download the plugin directly from that site where I added the link in the menu, but if you found it in the search, that would be better. Here is the download plugin link, and here's the my account button, which will only work when you are logged in. So here is a page, import WooCommerce, Amazon to WooCommerce, if in case you need more details about this plugin. But if you already on this video, this means that you just need to log into this website. So let's just click on my profile page and go to the start free trial, click on join now, and choose the free trial, which is 7 days free trial, and click on select. Just fill up these information and click on submit and confirm. I already have the account, so let me just quickly log into that account. This is free and you will not need to pay anything, or you will not need some credit card information or PayPal. It's just these information, and just submit and your account will be created and you are free to use 7 days. Okay, let me just quickly go to my account page and log into my account. Once you are logged into this site, just go back to the home page of the website, which is importwoocommerce.com. I am actually the admin, that is why it redirects me to the admin, but you will find this page. Go to my profile, and here you will find a field of site key. So remember I told you to stay on the settings page for the Amazon. Here, copy this site key and go to my profile page on import WooCommerce and paste that site key here. Once you paste the site key and save it, your website will show up right above this custom field, which is in my case shop.selfstudyhelp.com. So once your site is connected successfully, go to the get data page. Now here we have two fields. One is the category or search URL, and one is the single product URL from Amazon. So you can decide which way you want to add these products. Either way, you can go by right click and copy the link one by one and add it here. Let me just show you a sample. If I click on fetch data, sorry, this one is for categories. Here, this is the single one. So click fetch, and let's see if a product is added already. Go to shop page, it's 1557, or just go to the products page from admin side. Yes, the product is added now. Let me add another one like this one. Just right click and copy link and go to the get data page, and in the single URL field just paste that URL and click on fetch. Once this one is done, you will be able to see that product here as well. Currently it's 1562, but if we refresh the page and if the product is already there, then it will be 1563 as they are now, and the product is already added. Let me show you how the product looks like on the front end. And here's the data. This is the title, and all the images will come up here. These are the thumbnails and some additional information like ASIN, dimensions, weight, manufacturer, or if there is an SKU, category, or if there is a short description or long description. All these fields will be added exactly where they want to go. Okay, now if you want to add the entire category or the entire search results, let me just search for something like kitchen appliances, and press enter. So here's the result for home appliances. Let me add all of them at once. So right click on the URL for the search or category from the top and go to get data page on import WooCommerce, and instead of adding the single, let's add it to the search or category URL section and click on fetch. Once it's get the single links, they will show up here, and then one by one they will be added to the Amazon store. So if this format of URL is not getting, let me just go to Amazon again and add some filters. Let's say 5-star and above, and add some more filters like include out of stock, new only. Let's get this link and see if this is a success. Let's also search if there are some new products already. No, not yet. Okay, let's find a different way where we have the list layout, not the grid layout. Just search for PS4 controller. Okay, this is the list layout like this. Let's just copy this and add it to the get data field, and let's see. Okay, the URLs are not working, so that we will only get the data using single product. Let's just copy a single product link. Okay, this one is sponsored one, and these links are not working, so let's add the actual product which is not sponsored and add it to the single product fetcher and click fetch. Once it's completed, just go to your products page and click on all, or refresh the products page, and if it is successful, then you will be able to see that product along with the image, the SKU, the title, the category, and let's see how it looks like on the front end. And we have the title, the buy now button, which already have your affiliate link, the SKU, the category, the image, the thumbnails, and some description, additional information, and all of that. So I hope you learned something from today's video. Please give this a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, and you will not miss my future videos. Thank you.